Hello everyone, it's me Devasyajan Benny and I'm with another video. I'm from Canary Wharf and from the Elizabeth line. So I'm gonna show you around the Canary Wharf Elizabeth line. So this is the entrance. So I'm at the Market Mall and this is Canada Place. You can see the vibrance and you can see the multinational corporate buildings here, and this is the financial headquarters of the world. You can see a bridge connecting the metro station, and the Elizabeth line is newly inaugurated, and you can see the vibe here and the multi-story buildings with the magnificent architecture. You can see this is your place. Yeah, look how they have crafted the place very professionally and aesthetically. So you can see a small fountain there, the flowing water, and how the kids are enjoying the place. And I'm gonna show you around, and I can see the reflection of EY, and this is the place. And I'm gonna show you around the map so you'll get an idea. So this is the Canary Wharf, the North Colonnade, and you can see the Elizabeth line, the newly inaugurated Elizabeth line there. And this is the it's a peninsular. You can see there's a reflection, but still you can see, I believe, yeah, this is peninsular. So I'm gonna show you around. Like, this is where I am, the Canary Wharf. You can see, yeah, I'm here. The Adams Plaza Bridge. I'm gonna show you the Adams Plaza Bridge, which is a photo sensation, and this is the Adams Plaza Bridge. So you can see this. This is a photographer's paradise, and it looks very gorgeous. It looks very futuristic, and they've used a minimalistic idea because you can see these are the painted glasses, and you can see I'm here. Oh, you can see I'm also there in the frame. So this is the area, and this is the Adams Plaza Bridge. You can see, I'm gonna show you the design in detail. This is the design in detail, and now towards the front is the One Canada Square, and now we're gonna to Churchill Place, and this is the 5 Canada Square, where they probably the HQ of Thomson Reuters and LSEG, and hope you can see the HQ of Citibank there. Yeah, this is a Citibank HQ, and the video will be long, but hope it will be informative for you. And please, on an employability perspective, please visit the HR websites of the buildings or the informations which you come across in this video, so that many of you can get a good opportunities here. And this is the headquarters of HSBC. So I'm here, and this is the HQ of HSBC. You can see the HSBC there. Oh yeah, the HSBC global headquarters there. So it's HSBC is written on the building on the top, and it's not that visible from here now. And that's the common gathering place. Yeah, you can see the HSBC and how creatively they have decorated interior. I'm not sure whether you are able to see or not. Yeah. Okay, hopefully. And this is the UK's first transparent solar bus shelter here. You can see the transparent solar panels here. Oh my God! Yes. I need to go. Yeah, you can see. Anyway, yeah. So this is the place, the Citibank HQ, the Canada Place Shopping Center, and Jubilee Place. And this is the KPMG HQ here, and you can see the KPMG. I saw EY. Okay, we'll find it out. And that's the S&P Global, and this is okay. Oh, luckily I'm able to cross now. Oh, yes, run. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna show you around the place. Don't skip the video because I'm taking it on the iPhone, and iPhone has no pause button, so I'm taking it on a single shot because or else I need to cut and crop. It takes time. It needs a lot of patience. And this is the center of these financial institutions at the central square. I'm not sure about the name, and I think all the corporate officials are having some kind of events or parties or some of those lines. Yeah, you can see them. Okay, yeah, yes. So it's me here, and it's me Devasiyachan, and I'm showing you around the place. And pronouncing my name is a bit it's a tricky one, but it's okay. It's Devasiyachan. Okay, Devasiyachan. I'm joking, yeah. And I'm gonna show you around the place. This is the place. You can see HSBC there, HSBC HQ there. Yes, and you can see the Barclays. The people having Barclays bank account. That's HQ there. And you can see there Fitch rating. I think it's a credit rating agency. So this area is mostly focusing on the financial part. And you can see this, as the wealth is flowing around this place, the place is exceptionally good. And you can see chair which is illuminated. Yeah, and it's my first time seeing these kind of concepts. And these kind of concepts are only be practical where there is wealth flow. I can see a bird, a pigeon there. One of my friends said it's a penguin. Yeah, anyway, a pigeon there. I'm gonna show. Yeah, this is the place, the well-lit place there. And that's the hotel. It will burn the exchequer of common man. Yeah, it's very expensive, I believe. I am not sure. As the hotel owners, or they need to pay a high rent because of this facilities, and even they need to pay more on a tax perspective to the government and other entities. And this is Canada's Canary Wharf, and this is this near to the Citibank HQ here. That's the HQ there. And let's see what more I can gather. I think that's Wall Street or something. Yes. I'm gonna cross the road. I'm very uncertain on which way to go because that's the signal is gone. That's the straight street. Okay, now I got an idea. I believe you know this building. Oh my god, now the sun is shining. And earlier it was raining, and yesterday there was a hailstorm. The weather here is very complicated. The over is complicated because it's very complicated. See, now the sun is burning, or the sun is shining bright. Oh, you can see right there. I think that's from the. Oh, that's what? Doing complicated maneuvering, yeah. And you see, this delivery counterpart is delivering the food. This is Citibank HQ and City Old Private Client Lounge. Yeah, it's for the rich. Anyway, money is made by human beings. Okay, anyway, and that's the Bank of America, and you can see the Bank of America there. Oh, that's the Bank of America. Yes, yeah. Oh, this is a private lounge. Okay, so the wealthy clients, they can afford it. For them, they need to gain the premium service because they might be charged for their deposits or their investments. And I'm checking forward. This is Lloyd's. I think that's a small office. And this building is the best one. This building, I think this is called Canada 1 or something. I'm not sure. But and the view. Oh, you can see the JP Morgan there. I've shown that. JP Morgan there. And Alchemist here. And I think I've come to the other part of the building. Yes. I've come to the other part. And we can see the vibrant crowd here. Okay, let's go. The video is 10 minutes and more, so I'm sorry for that. Anyway, I'm going to take you in a single shot. You can see the time, the clock. Oh, okay. It's very creative. And you can see the DLR there. And I want to say about the DLR because one day when I went, it's like wobbling. I asked a passenger. She said that's normal and it's safe anyway. It's 100% safe here. There is the Mackenzie Walk, Canary Wharf, Cabot Street, Jubilee Place, and many more. And you can see there is the Museum of London Dockland. I'm not sure to which. Okay, I need to figure out. There's a Northern Trust. This is the Canary Wharf underground station. This is the Jubilee line. So the one which I have come is on Elizabeth line, which is newly inaugurated, and we can see the Santander's bicycle because in city in urban planning the use of cycles is essential because to reduce the pollution and the sustainable goods. You can see the Santander's and the customers can download the app and they can